Now this hair makes me feel beautiful and confident right off the bat, right out of the box. I have a brand new Belle Tress to unbox with you today that you might have not even heard of yet. This is Carolina. She is from the Lux SE Collection and she is in the color Butterbeer R. I am so excited about this. She's brand new out. She is a long layered curls. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I haven't opened a Belle Tress in a minute. I gotta scoot back because she's so long and gorgeous. Let's just look at all of her curls first. Oh, wow. She is luscious. Look at these layers she has, which is gonna make her lighter with this length. We have a little bit of a root that goes down into these beautiful blonde colors. Oh my goodness. Let's look at the inside before we try her on. So she is luxury. She has a full monofilament top. We have lace going down all the way around these ear tabs, stays in there. She is partially hand tied. She has wefting in the back, closed wefting to support her structure. We have a longer nape, Velcro adjusters. Oh my goodness, we've got to put her on. Oh, ladies, wow. Oh my goodness, this is bombshell hair. Look at this. We got these layers here. Let me just tell you about her a little bit. So she is heat friendly. She's 24 inches overall, 17 from the nape. The sides are 10 inches down into the 23 inches. Oh, these layered curls. Oh my goodness. Look at that. She is an instant stunner. She weighs 7.9 ounces. I love her root. Look at that hairline, ladies. Belle Tress does an amazing job with their hairlines. It's the Butterbeer rooted. It's a cozy blend with soft brown roots transitioning into this buttery blonde infused with honey and toffee tones. It's radiant. It says multidimensional, and that is so true. Look at these different blondes in there. We do have that buttery color, but I would not look at her and say there's any yellow to her. And just look at this dimension. Wow. This is my movie star hair, really. I'm gonna brush these curls out, but not right away. Did you even know she existed yet? Just look at these varying layers that she has, which just really adds to the dimension of even the color. Oh my goodness. Ladies, check out Belle Tress's new releases. This is Carolina. She is absolutely stunning. I can't even. Carolina is from Wig Studio One. Watch for more content on her and make sure that you sign up for Wig Studio One's YouTube channel so that you will see my full review on her. I gotta think of something to wear her to because she needs to go do more things than just in my house. She needs to go out in the world because I feel really beautiful in her, and I know you will too.